Eureka powerful lightweight upright vacuum carpet and floor. PowerSpeed NEU202 with automatic cord rewind, purple. By turning the 5-floor selection dial, this versatile vacuum cleaner with 12.6 inches wide cleaning path can make hardwood floors, tiles, carpets and area rugs free from pet hair, debris and dirt. It is easy to carry around the 12.3-pound upright vacuum cleaner for easy and quick cleaning. With a 2.1-liter dust cup, this bagless vacuum cleaner requires less frequent emptying, and with an easy empty flip lid, it can be easily cleaned and washed with no maintenance cost. Get exclusive discount and details product, click link in description.